Welcome to the Our Kids Network Map My Data tutorial. This tutorial will show you how you can use the Map My Data tool within the OKN data portal to map your own data. If you're not familiar with the OKN data portal, you may want to take a few minutes to watch the overview tutorial now. The Map My Data tool uses geocoding. Geocoding is the process of assigning a latitude and a longitude to a physical address. Map My Data is the tool within the OKN data portal that lets you geocode and map address-specific data. All that's required is a spreadsheet with complete address information, including postal code. So let's see how it works. This spreadsheet contains the names, addresses, and other basic information about our protocol partners and participating agencies. We'd like to put these data into the OKN data portal to see where our partners and participating agencies are located in relation to our service area and outcomes. We'll use Map My Data to do that. Let's close the spreadsheet and open the portal. So in the portal, click the top icon here on the left to open the Map My Data tool. You can drag your file or click here to select it. And I'll go ahead and select this spreadsheet we just looked at. Okay, you want to make sure that all the fields correspond to the labels shown in this preview. If field names in your sheet match the fields the tool uses, Map My Data will match the fields for you. Here, street address, city, and province are already matched. And I'll just use this drop-down to tell the data portal that this field matches to postal code. Next, we can specify an attribute we'd like to map. I'll select partner type, so Map My Data shows my points as partner type categories. Next, I'll click Upload Now, and within seconds, the addresses are mapped. So our points have been added, and we see here in the legend that the orange squares represent our protocol partners and the blue squares represent our participating agencies. We can make edits to the way the data are displayed by clicking the Style tab. And in this Pop-ups tab, we can determine what will be shown in our pop-ups, which we'll see in a minute. There's no reason to list the province or some of these other items, but I would like to add partner name. So I'll check that box. We don't need to add partner type again since that's how we're categorizing the data. But I will select website so that a link to the agency website appears in the pop-up. So now when I click on any of the neighborhoods, this card that pops up now shows the partner name and its website. So now the data are mapped and we've customized our pop-ups, and we can begin to look for patterns. Perhaps you're interested in seeing what relationships might exist between our protocol partners and participating agency locations and some of the indicators in the OKN data portal. Let's open the data portal to take a look. Let's select neighborhoods, then social cohesion, and then percent of parents who report high levels of neighborhood cohesion. We want to see 2018 data, so I don't need to change that year under select an option. Notice we can't see any of the points over here that are covered by the layer we just added. Let's use the layer controls to select what we'd like to be on top of the map. So click layer controls here on the right, and then drag the sections so that they reflect the order you want the data to show on the map. Okay, so I'll drag Map My Data section here. You can also drag it to the top if you'd like. And so now we can see our points again. So getting back to our neighborhood cohesion data, let's zoom to the South Georgetown area right here. When we click on this area, we see in the pop-up that in South Georgetown, 25% of parents reported high levels of neighborhood social cohesion in 2018, up from 9% in 2015. So let's see which protocol partners and participating agencies are based in this area. It looks like there are some after-school programs, some libraries, and lots of YMCAs. So perhaps their combined efforts were influential in increasing the rate of parents who reported high levels of neighborhood social cohesion. Let's zoom out and focus on another neighborhood. So Southwest Oakville, let's zoom into that. It's here. Shows a 15% rate in 2018 of neighborhood cohesion. So looking through the protocol partners and participating agencies, we're not seeing as many YMCAs or other organizations. Although we can't presume a relationship between these factors, this might be an area for further research and study. We hope this demonstration of the OKN data portal and Map My Data tool has been helpful in illustrating some of the ways the portal can be used to plan, to communicate more effectively, and to better understand data. If you have further questions or need more information, please visit the Data Portal 2.0 resources on the OKN website for other valuable resources.